Welcome to Mudra Therapy series. In this video, we are gonna see about the mudras that helps to cure cold and cough. There are many mudras that control the fire element in the body. Here we will see the best two mudras that increase fire energy in the body and help to beat the cold. Linga Mudra, the mudra of heat. As its name suggests, Linga Mudra is the most powerful hand gesture to increase the heat inside our body. Finger arrangement in this mudra is done in such a way that the flow of energy of the fire element is redirected to all the parts of the body. Let's see how this mudra is performed. To perform this mudra, you should take the following steps. At first, sit in a yoga asana like Padmasana or Sukhasana, according to your comfort. Then, put your hands on your lap and clasp them. Now, clasp both of your hands. Your right hand's pinky finger comes on the lower free end, and left hand's thumb comes on the upper free end. Direct the thumb of the right hand, and encircle it with the thumb and index finger of the left hand. Keep breathing at the same speed and continue the same till 10-15 minutes. Then set yourself free and relax. You would feel warmer and energetic. Performing this mudra just for 10-15 minutes, whenever you feel cold, can give you instant relief from cold and make you warm within 10-15 minutes. Second is Surya Mudra. Sit in a comfortable sitting pose on a mat, keeping the spine straight. You can also perform it standing. Bend the ring finger so that the tip of the ring finger touches the base of your thumb. Now gently press the thumb over the top of the second phalanx of the ring finger. Do this with both hands, simultaneously. Perform this mudra for 40-45 minutes a day, either in a single stretch or 2-3 stretches of 15-20 minutes, in the morning or evening. Precautions for Linga and Surya Mudra. Do not perform these both mudras if you are suffering from fever. As these mudras increase heat in the body, they might have an adverse effect on fever. Therefore, keep yourself hydrated before performing these mudras. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.